Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the science and experience of the beauty products that make their mark. Today, we're exploring a night cream that has garnered quite the attention, Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Night Face Moisturizer. This daily anti-aging moisturizer boasts a blend of retinol and hyaluronic acid designed to tackle the signs of aging while you sleep. If you've been looking for a reliable product to fight fine lines and wrinkles, keep watching, because we'll take a closer look at what this cream really brings to the table. Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Night Cream promises to improve the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness over time. It's formulated with a dermatologist-proven form of retinol, which is well known for its ability to speed up cell turnover, reduce wrinkles, and boost skin radiance. The formula is further enriched with hyaluronic acid, a powerhouse ingredient for hydration, making this a two-in-one product for anti-aging and moisture. You'll find it's free of parabens, mineral oils, and dyes, something many people appreciate, especially if they have sensitive skin or prefer a more natural product. Now, let's talk about the real-world application of this product. As soon as you pump the product from the sleek 1 Flow Ounces bottle, it delivers a silky smooth texture. The cream isn't too thick, which makes it easy to spread across your face and neck before bedtime. I've been using this as part of my nighttime routine, and I've noticed it's a pretty no-fuss addition. The cream absorbs well into the skin without leaving any greasy residue, which I really appreciate. When you wake up, your skin feels smoother and more hydrated, something I've noticed after a full night of use. But here's the kicker. The results are noticeable, especially in terms of hydration. I've found that after just a few days of use, my skin looks plumper and feels more nourished. The retinol doesn't cause the typical irritation that some formulas with retinol can cause, which speaks to the fact that this product is stabilized for better tolerance. However, if you've never used retinol before, it's important to ease into this product because it's strong enough to bring about a subtle exfoliation of the skin, especially if you're sensitive to retinol. As for pros and cons, here's what stands out. Pros: smooth texture. The formula feels luxurious without being heavy or greasy. Visible results. You'll notice smoother, more hydrated skin within just a few days of use. Hydration boost. Thanks to the added hyaluronic acid, this cream offers solid moisture to keep skin feeling plump. Free of harsh ingredients. No parabens, mineral oil, or dyes, ideal for those with sensitive skin or those who prefer more natural options. Cons: retinol irritation for sensitive skin. If you're new to retinol, you might experience some dryness or irritation, so I recommend building up your usage gradually. Price point. While it's not the priciest anti-aging moisturizer out there, it may feel a bit steep for a 1 Fell Ounce bottle if you're on a budget. When it comes to value for money, Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair is an investment, but it does deliver. Given its efficacy in reducing fine lines and the added hydrating benefits, I think it's worth considering if you're serious about anti-aging. The fact that it comes from a trusted dermatologist-recommended brand makes it even more reliable, especially for anyone wanting to introduce retinol into their skincare routine. In comparison to other retinol creams on the market, this one holds its ground. While some high-end products boast more powerful retinol formulations or additional anti-aging ingredients, Neutrogena's formula does a solid job at a more accessible price point. It's an excellent option for those just getting started with retinol and don't want to commit to more expensive products just yet. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The pump bottle makes it easy to dispense the right amount of product without waste, which is essential for keeping things hygienic and fresh. There's also no need to worry about the product expiring too soon, as retinol is stabilized within the cream, meaning it won't degrade quickly. The bottle is compact, so it's also travel-friendly if you're always on the go. Now let's talk about alternatives. If you're considering other options, you could check out products like Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer or Rogue Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle Night Cream. Both are reputable brands in the retinol space and offer similar benefits for reducing fine lines and improving skin texture, though the prices and textures vary a little. Final verdict: the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Night Cream is a solid, affordable option for those looking to add retinol to their anti-aging routine. It hydrates well, works quickly to smooth fine lines, and feels gentle enough for most skin types. If you're new to retinol or just want something effective yet simple to use, I'd recommend this product. It's not perfect, especially if you have very sensitive skin, but it does the job at a reasonable price. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our honest and in-depth beauty product reviews. Your support keeps us going and helps other beauty lovers like you find the best products. Thanks for watching, and as always, drop a comment below if you've tried this product or have questions. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.